In order to make frequency separation, you need to make 2 copies of the layer. Move the background layer to the plus sign or click on the background and the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-G. Next, we stand on layer 1 and make a frame according to Gaussian. This layer is blurred until the texture of the skin disappears. For this photo, 7 pixels will suffice, but you always focus on your photos. Then we go to the top layer, go to the Image menu, select Apply Image. Here you select the layer with blur, Layer 1. If you have an image of 8 bits, then select the Subtract Scale 2 mode, Offset 128. Select the Linear Light mode. Here we have done frequency separation for 2 frequencies. I will place frequency separation in a group, select 2 layers, and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-J. Now we will expand our group on the blurred layer. We will work with a chiaroscuro pattern. We will correct the light and shadow. We'll do this on a copy of the blurred layer, so as not to spoil the original. I'll show you a few ways to work on this layer. One way. We will work with the help of a mixer brush. You can see the brush settings on my panel. The texture layer must be hidden, and with careful movements, you will smear hard transitions of light and shadow. At the same time, try not to affect the glare. Let's see. What happened? Next, let's look at the second method. To do this, let's make another copy of the blurry layer. And let's hide the layer with the first method so that it does not interfere with us. To better see the spots, let's create a layer assistant adjustment layer white and black and lower the red and yellow channels slightly. We will work on the second copy using the Remove tool. This tool is only available in the latest versions of Photoshop. With the help of the Remove tool, we will remove ugly spots, light, shadows. You need to do it carefully. I'll speed up a little so as not to take up your time. Now let's see how the second and first method coped. It seems to me that the second method coped better with this task. Now let's work with the texture. I will work like a stamp. See its settings in the video.